How to watch Instagram Live. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. So if you want to watch someone's live, all you gotta do is, once you open it up, at the top, your story section or the story section where everybody posts story, you will be finding a live option. So if someone is live, you should be finding something like this with live on their story right below the story. So all you gotta do is simply tap on the live, and then you will be viewing their live. So you can just go ahead and send a request to be live in this video, add a comment, and even share or like this, and you can do this following method. So that is how you basically watch Instagram Live very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.